Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today, we're going to be doing a series of videos on setting up and carving your first project in Easel. We're going to be covering some Easel basics and just kind of talking through how that process goes from creation to carve. To start, the first thing we're going to do is title our project. To title our project, you'll click here in this Untitled box and change the name in the name box and then close. In this case, before I do that, I want to draw your attention to the check mark to the right of Untitled. This shows that all changes on the project have been saved. When I go in and change the project title, you'll see a circle that's spinning and then the check mark. That means that the project has been saved and any changes that I made have been saved, such as the title. Next, we're going to be talking through how to resize your material. To do that, move over into the right-hand area of the screen and click on where it says birch plywood 12 by 8 by 0.5. 12 by 8 by 0.5 is the default starting material size for any easel project. When you click on that, you'll see a drop-down menu. You'll see that you can select your material type here. We're going to keep it on birch plywood for now. And then you can adjust your material size. In this case, we're going to change our project to 6 inches by 6 inches, but we'll keep it at 1/2 inch thick. Finally, we're going to add an element to our material. To do that, I'm going to move over to the left-hand side of the screen where the toolbar is and select Shapes at the top of the screen. This will pull out a menu and I can select from one of 4 shapes. In this case, we're going to add a triangle. Please tune in to the next easel design video where we will cover how to combine shapes, how to change cut paths, and how to size shapes.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.